Hello everyone, Fred here. Thanks for stopping by today. I'm going to do a quick unboxing video on a new product for me. This is the BLUETTI EB3A power station. Just bought this off Amazon. I'm not an affiliate or anything. I was just in the market for something a little bit bigger than what I currently use, which is this little one here. This little engine star, which for what I needed it for worked absolutely fine, but I thought I would upgrade a little bit, is because we're getting ready to go up to our cottage again, which is off grid. And that little engine star, I don't know, it just, the batteries just did not last as long as I'd hoped. Using it in the cabin for a couple of little fans and just some little things around, recharging phones and tablets and things, and it just didn't perform like I had hoped. Amazon had the this BLUETTI on special. I think at the time it was, let's see, it was just $209 the other day, so I thought it was a great price. This is like 600 watts peak output, can take up to 200 watts input. So no issues with my solar panel, which is 100 watts. I actually have two solar panels at 100. So if I wanted to hook both of them up, this unit will take it. And this is the has the better batteries. Let's do a quick unboxing here. It's getting dark out, and I wanted to get this in. Plenty of unboxing videos out there, but you just never know if something's changed in the last year, because this product I think was released right around last June. We're getting ready to go up to our cottage. That's why I thought I would just go ahead and pull the trigger on this, at least give it a shot. All right, what are we missing in here? Absolutely nothing. Here's the unit itself. All right. Couldn't get much easier. Now they even give you a little silica packet. Pretty compact. Let's compare it to my little engine star. There you go. About the same size. Flat top, because you can do wireless charging. See if it's got a charge. 67%. So good to go. Alright, well, I need to fully charge this. The screen is nice and bright, which is, it's actually very easy to read. Standard outputs, very similar to what we have over here. The only difference is it does have the 3-prong input, which is nice for fast charging. So there we go. Alright, simple unboxing. It is what it is. No, I'm surprised they didn't give you a charging cable. I didn't dig deep enough. Alright. I guess you should look at everything in the box. So there's our 3-prong pigtail. And you also get the there's your solar connectors. So there's your DC in for solar. So all good. See, it always pays to look at the bottom of the box. And there we are. So simple unboxing. I'm pretty excited about this. We'll get some testing in. Stay tuned, because I will be up at the cottage on the island with solar hooked up in a true off-grid scenario. So stay tuned. We're going to be putting this through its paces. Alright, thanks for sticking around for this quick unboxing. We'll see you on the next one.